Ready? At the 15th annual general meeting, the chairman said, I am very happy to present to you this year accounts which show that the progress made in the improvement of the financial position of the group, which I reported to you in my statement last year, has been fully maintained, full stop. From these accounts you will see that our financial position and profit earning ability have shown a marked improvement, full stop. You will recall that 2 years ago, our financial position was severely strained as a result of the reserves suffered in the large scale production of films, full stop. The two following years were fully occupied in dealing with the many problems which arose from this cause, full stop. During this period, under the guidance of the managing director, the organization of the group was closely examined in order to reduce our administration expenses, improve the efficiency of our operation, and raise the enthusiasm and morale of the staff, full stop. The results from the year under review demonstrate the beneficial effects of this policy, full stop. The trading results for the period show a great improvement over the previous one, and are a record in the history of the group as it is now constituted, full stop. Paragraph. I have referred in previous years to the support which our bankers have given during our different years and the happy relationship which have had with them, full stop. It has given me considerable satisfaction to see the amounts by which we have reduced our bank overdraft during the last 3 years, thus proving that the confidence which the bank placed in your company and its management was justified, full stop. It has been said in some quarters that owing to the financial problems with which the country is faced, is importation of foreign films should be reduced and the output of our films increased, and that if necessary this position should be achieved by legislation, full stop. I do subscribe to this view, and I am surprised that it should be put forward as a practical proposition in view of the fortunate experience which the industry suffered as a result of such a policy in 1985, full stop. I believe that our industry will expand slowly, surely, and economically, if it is allowed to develop its creative talent without political interference, full stop. As you know, one of our subsidiary companies has for many years been actively interested in the development of a large screen television system for use in the motion picture cinema, full stop. We believe that in the coming years large screen television will play an important part in public entertainment. Full stop. The problem of the right to use the air by the cinema industry has not yet been solved. Full stop. We hold the view that the development of large screen television is a development of modern science, and that we should have made available to this industry channels which can be used as a result of right and not as a matter of bargaining with the other vested interests. Full stop. Most of our financial difficulties have now been overcome. Full stop. The personnel and organization of the group are in first class order. Full stop. We face the future with a measure of confidence in the knowledge that if the cinema industry is given reasonable conditions in which it operate, we shall maintain our important position in it, and I hope to be able to present satisfactory trading results. Full stop. اسی اوپر سے لیب بند کر دیں فٹافٹ، کمپیوٹر کے سوئچ بند کر دیں نیچے سے، لکھیں اس کو جلدی.